Let's check out my Milwaukee M18 cordless track saw. The XC6 battery pairs perfectly with the M18 track saw. It just keeps you going and you have plenty of power to rip through not only plywood but hardwood as well. High output battery, charger, and there's a dust collection bag. I don't use this, although it's nice. I guess if you don't have a dust extractor, that gives you another option. It locks solidly at 90 degrees, but if you loosen the knobs front and back, you can tip it to a 45-degree angle. If you depress a thumb lever here, you can actually take it beyond 45 degrees. That's extremely helpful if you want to do coffered ceilings or any boxed beam work. The same is true going the other direction. You can actually take it a degree on the other side of 90. Returning it to 90 degrees is easy. There's a stop so you know you're in the right position and lock it home. There's track snuggers front and back so you can get just the right sliding action you want. And unlike some other saws, there's a rotating lock for when you are making beveled cuts. It'll hold that saw in the track and it can't tip loose. Blade depth is easy to set, and indicators for both with and without the track. Scoring cuts are possible. Just flip the scoring lever up and that'll stop the blade at a shallow depth for really tricky veneers. The plunge lock is just here. That's useful for locking it in the down position for blade changes. And the arbor lock is right between the blade guard and the handle. For normal operation, just press the thumb lever and you can plunge and cut. Just pop that powerful 6 ampere-hour battery in and go to work. The available tracks are nice and sturdy for accurate cuts. Well, it would be nearly impossible to pick just one favorite feature on this, but if I had to pick just one, I'd say it'd be the splinter guard, the excellent dust collection, the high output battery, easy blade changes, and a fit and finish that I really haven't seen matched in this tool category. Anyway, you get my point. The saw's got a lot going for it. I've certainly enjoyed using mine, building cabinets and breaking down sheet goods, and I just don't think you could go wrong with the M18 track saw.